Hi, next we're going to demonstrate the skill of weighing the client who is ambulatory. It means this client can walk to the scale. Next, Ms. Janice, I'm going to assist you to weigh you, okay? To check your weight.
Okay.
The scale is right outside the door, and then I'm going to walk you there.
Okay.
First, I'm going to assist you to sit. Okay. But before that, I'm going to make sure that the bed is in a safe position. Okay, and then the bed is locked. Okay, now you can sit. Okay, don't touch the floor until I put your shoes on. So you put on non-skid shoes on the resident. Okay, we can stand up now. So this resident can walk. I don't need to do much. Okay. So stand here, let me place the scale on 0. The scale would have been here by the time you get here, so you need to place the scale on 0. Assist the resident to, you can stand on the scale now. Make sure you hold on to her until she gets on the scale, because that scale shakes, you don't want your resident to fall. Now it's very important that you understand how to use the scale. There's a big scale, there's a small scale. The big scale only counts in 50s. The small scale counts in 1s. The whole purpose is to use the big scale to come to within 50 of her weight. Then we use the small scale to complete her weight. We're trying to get to a point where this is in the middle. If it's up, we're not at her weight yet. If it goes down, means we have passed her weight. Okay? Remember that the scale measures in pounds and kilograms. The top numbers are the pounds, which is LB, LBS. We only measure in pounds. Okay? So go from 0 to 50. We're not there yet. The next number is 100. Don't place it anywhere in between. You're going to go to a number, The arrow points to the number. Next we go to 150. We're still not there yet. We go to 200. That means we have passed her weight. But we know that she's more than 150, but not up to 200. So we're going to take this back to 150. Okay? That means we have used up the big scale. We now need the small scale to complete her weight. We know she's above 150, but she's not up to 200. So she could be 151, she could be 199, but we know she's not 200. When you're pushing this, don't press it down like that. Slide it. Slide. Okay. Okay. So now that begins to move. It means we're close to her weight. Okay. Now you see that the small scale is at 24. The big scale is at 150. You're going to add the bottom number and the top number to get her weight, which means her weight is 174 pounds. What you'll do, you don't have to, the examiner will be standing right here. She will record the weight, and you just leave the scale like that and then finish up your scale. Okay, Miss Janice, I'm going to assist you now. Make sure you hold her so she doesn't fall. And then walk her back to the bed. Okay. Walk her back to the bed. And assist her to sit. You can sit in the bed. Would you like to sit or would you like to lie down? Everybody should say they're going to sit. So you're going to sit. Give her her call light.
Thank you.
Make sure the bed is in the lowest position. And and the bed is still locked. Okay. Then you will go and wash your hands. The examiner would have given you a sheet to record her weight. By the way, it's a good idea to tell her on your way back what her weight is. If you weigh somebody, they will want to know what their weight is. You know, so as you're coming back, you can say, oh, Miss Janice, your weight is 174. Or was it 172?
174.
174. If you forget, let the examiner know that you need to go back and look at the scale. And you can go back out and look at the scale because we didn't change anything. Then you record. After you wash your hands, get your sheets, get your pencil or paper, and then record 174 pounds. Make sure you indicate pounds. If you don't put something there, then the examiner doesn't know if you weighed her in kilogram or you weighed her in pounds. You finish that, and that concludes your skill, the weight.